We're gonna go for a sunset boat trip around 2:30.
The water's nice.
We just took a bus from Hanoi to Cat. It's about 2 hours. Pretty chill. They gave us free water. Now we're about to head on the ferry. Let's go.
Oh, we taking that boat?
Oh yeah, that's our speedboat. Let's go.
What else should we do on Cat?
Anything.
I want to also look on Reddit.
Life hack. Ding! Southeast Asia life hack is to download Reddit because people will post more niche, low-key things to do, places or foods to try, restaurants to try. You just can look up on Reddit, like, we're going to Cat restaurant, and it'll come up. That's where I found out that you can just rent a Easy Rider for each day of the Hajjan Loop.
Welcome, welcome. Put that in there.
So because we're traveling with family, we're going a little bit more bougie than usual. So we went for a hotel that's like in a cave. It's called Roza Palace. It's really nice. We've got a pool over there. And of course, as I just said, it's in a cave. Pretty sweet. We've been staying at hostels and like backpackers and like go every night on the Hajjan Loop. So now we're just gonna chill for 2 nights here and have some nice relaxing time.
Some R&R.
R&R, what's that? Resting like relaxation?
Yeah. Unfortunately, the weather is a little bit overcast, but it's all good. It's like such a pleasant temperature right now.
A dip in the pool, a trip to the spa, all according to
Good morning from Cat Island. this morning we just woke up, had a wonderful little breakfast, a little jog along the boardwalk. This island is so peaceful and not very many people, so it's been really nice to just relax and just get some nice R&R in. So we just walked over to this beautiful restaurant with an awesome viewpoints of islands in the background, and we're just grabbing another coffee, easing into the morning, and we're just gonna relax today. And then later we are gonna go for a sunset boat trip around 2:30. So it's only 10:30 now, so we're just gonna relax, eat some food, and just adventure around a little bit, see what we can get into. Very sleepy, it's very peaceful, not very many tourists here, so it's been really, really refreshing and relaxing and exactly what we need.
We're at Catco 3 beach. It's beautiful. We did a little swim to that rock over there, over yonder. Oh yeah, the water's nice. And send the drone up, of course. Beautiful resorts here. Like the one is a high-rise resort with like lots of green foliage grown out of it, like trees and palms and all kinds of things. Really beautiful. With all the islands, small islands like in the distance. So picturesque.
How are you feeling about all of this, Kate?
I love Katba, it's very nice, and it's forcing me to just chill.
Yeah.
Because it's very like, there's not very many tourists, there's not like that much going on, but like I like that because it's just relaxed, just go to the beach, chill. Sorry. And just like swim in the water, and it's so awesome because we got a perfect day.
Okay, Goosey,
Super
give us
chill.
your thoughts.
I like Catba just because, like Kate said, it's quiet. It's not as bustling and busy and touristy as the Thai islands we've been to. Maybe it's the time of the year, who knows? But yeah, enjoy it.
Awesome. Cara, give us your thoughts.
My thoughts are 2 thumbs up.
Woohoo! And Clocho Badocho.
My thoughts are zen.
Ooh, me and Ash is out there just chilling.
That sounds like good bread. That's
Yeah. Is it good?
What kind did you get?
One with 2 eggs and one with bacon and egg. I mean, it looks like a lot, but it isn't. That's why I got 2.
The car rocked up right at 2:45, and now
It
it rocked up. And now we are heading for a little boat tour.
Rocking and rolling. Steering wheel. Huh? I like your steering wheel. So we're on a boat cruise in Lan Ha Bay, which is just next to Ha Long Bay, which is really well known as the 7th wonder of the world. So this bay has 388 islands, and it's got 138 small beaches. Is that right? 138? 139. It's got 139 beaches, and it's beautiful. I'm gonna launch the drone.
I think we want to paddle left. That was so awesome. We went all the way around this island on the kayak and it was super fun. Saw some sardines jumping up in the water and the water is just like, it's like glass. It's so cool. So smooth and so peaceful. It's so easy to kayak on. There's no current. So, and there's no one even here, like just empty. So only one other boat and then our boat. And our boat only has like maybe 10 people on it. So I definitely recommend Lan Ha Bay. Go ahead.
This just in. Not Nutella. And it's not even really chocolate. That's okay. I mean, it was worth a shot. Worth a shot, but
Island. Just had some nice breakfast, eased into our morning. Now just going for a little walk. It's so sunny and beautiful. Kappa Island is so chilled. It's so peaceful and like the roads are so quiet. Like we're literally walking in the middle of the road. We probably shouldn't be walking in the middle of the road, but like there's no cars, there's no really loud scooters. It's just peaceful. So it's really nice. And
Thumbs up.
yeah, we are so happy that we got recommended to come to this island. The food is, the banh mi's are all really good, but it's not like, wow, amazing food. And I think we're just used to Thai food, which is always like, wow, this is such a great meal. But it's not bad food. I don't want to say that. It's not bad food. It's just not like Thai food. But we can't compare. It's its own thing. I would say though that they have a lot more fresh vegetables and fresh, like, you know, carrots and cucumbers and stuff, which is also really nice. But no food has really like blown us out of the water yet. The island itself is so beautiful. So now we are just walking back to the beach that we were on yesterday, and we saw a little walkway on the drone. So we're gonna go and walk on that little walkway. So we've walked up onto another cove along this path. It's so beautiful and the weather's perfect. So happy.
And yeah, just look at this beautiful setting.
Just finished up our walk and now we are gonna pack up our stuff, pack up from our hotel and head back to Hanoi.
This is the Kelly cam, and look at this. Almost a private beach.
Hey guys, this is Cara Cam, honorary Buragle of the week. There's my girly.
Welcome to Chloe's Cot Bar Circuit. You don't need a gym. All you need is a step. Right on the beach, look at the scenery. So, circuit goes like this. So you're gonna do 10, oh, that's the modified version. Kate's gonna do the full version. Watch for the slippery. Slippery! You're gonna do 10 squat jumps. Just like that. Nice. Squee at the top. And squee! And squee! Okay, now Kelly's doing the modified version over there. Just stepping up, low impact. All right, so 10 of those. Now, next up in your circuit is 20 tricep dips. Ideally, you want to have your legs straightened, but clearly can't do that here, but just do your best. Work with what you got. Okay, final part of your circuit is 30 bicycle crunches. Your spine might start to hurt a little bit on the cement, but you can always modify. Do a plank, sit up on your elbows a little bit, and yeah, just look at this beautiful setting. You want to do this circuit maybe 3 times, but whatever you're feeling, you know? You also don't need to do anything. You can just relax. So that just goes to show you don't need a gym to feel like you exercised on vacation. Also, no need to if you don't want to. And just appreciate yourself. Alright?